Hello everyone, I created a simple login and sign up page which performs the validation actively. We know the sign up page, also called as registration page. It enables the users and organizations to independently register and gain access to your system. It is common to have multiple sign up pages depending on the types of people and organizations you want to register. And the login page, it will validate you to find if you are authenticated user of the OS or not. If not, you won't be able to the operating system and can't access it. The security and authentication of any application is very old process which isn't used with the invention of the operating systems. So simply a person having already the username and password, he can easily log in for that particular website. I'm going to show the code. This is the simple HTML page. I use some div tags, H1 tags, and these are the buttons for the sign up and login pages. This is the CSS page which adds some interactive colors to my sign up and login page. And this is the JavaScript file. So I used a library called Express to create the web server. Here I created an instance with name app. It for serving the static files. This tells the server to serve static files like HTML, CSS images from the public directory. And these two lines are about connecting the Firebase. We are importing the Firebase libraries to use in the lab. The key.json actually during the login for the Firebase, it generates the file containing some private keys. I included this in my folder with key.json, which contains authentication information for the Firebase. We initialize the Firebase app using the credentials from the key.json, and we get access to the Firestore database using getFirestore. And app.getSignup function, it's a simple function, sends the signup.html file to the user's browser. And app.get signup function, it checks if the user's email is already registered in the Firestore database. If not, adds the user's details to the user's collection. When a user accesses a signup page, the server sends the signup.html page. When a user submits the signup data to the signup page, the server checks if the email is already registered. If not, user's information is added to the database. And app.getLogin. This function for send the login.html file to the user's browser, and app.login submit function, it just checks if the user's email and password match a record in the Firestore database. Because due to connecting the Firestore to this page, it needs the document for every user's data with password, name, and it sends a success message or a failure for the messages accordingly. Similar to sign up and login that page to the users, when login data is submitted, login submit, the server checks if the email and password match a database record. If yes, it sends a success message, otherwise it will send a failure message. It's everything about the server, how it is listening. And app.listen 3000, it simply means the server listens on port 3000 for incoming requests from web browsers. This port sets up a server, serves static files, user Firebase for database operations, and provides routes for user sign-up and login. It allows users to register user data stored in a Firestore database, as we connected the Firestore here initially. So let's see how is it working or not. This is the simple welcome page. By clicking on sign up, it asking for enter the full name and then password. It is shown successfully registered. So I already registered. So you already registered, please log in. So login is successful. If you want to log out, you can log out by clicking on it. So it actually validating, and if there are any errors, it simply showing us there are some errors, and from that we can correct. For example, I'm giving the wrong password. It's showing login is failed. Please log in again. And then I'm giving a correct password saying login is successful. Thank you.